What is custodial interrogation during an arrest? Imagine being taken into custody and then questioned about a crime. What exactly happens during that time? That's what custodial interrogation is all about. When law enforcement officers question someone who is in custody or cannot leave easily, they are conducting custodial interrogation. This means the person is not free to walk away because they have been either formally arrested or detained in a way that a reasonable person would feel they cannot leave. The main point here is that during custodial interrogation, the person's freedom of movement is significantly limited. Police ask questions to gather information that might prove someone committed a crime. This can happen not only after an arrest but also during certain stops, like traffic stops or detentions, where the person is under police control. Because being questioned in custody involves a serious restriction on liberty, the law requires police to read the person their Miranda rights before questioning begins. These rights include the right to remain just silent and the right to have an attorney present during questioning. If police do not give these warnings, any statements the person makes might not be used in court later. Whether an interrogation is considered custodial depends on how a reasonable person would feel in that situation. Courts look at the whole situation, including where the questioning takes place. For example, being questioned at a police station or jail is more likely to be custodial than being asked questions in a public place. The presence of multiple officers, weapons, the time of day, and whether the person is alone all matter in this assessment. In many cases, custodial interrogations happen in controlled environments like police stations or detention centers. Some jurisdictions requiring these interrogations to be recorded, either with audio or video, to make sure everything is fair and transparent. This helps protect the rights of the person being questioned and ensures the process is clear. Understanding custodial interrogation is important because it helps protect your constitutional rights against self-incrimination and coerced confessions. Properly administering Miranda warnings and following the right procedures can influence whether statements made during questioning are allowed in court. This keeps the process fair and makes sure that any evidence used is reliable. Knowing your rights during this process can make a big difference in how your case unfolds.